Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Skills. In this video we will learn how to evaluate the link and node. First let's see how to evaluate any link. As you can see, we have a network of 4 link intersection with an exempted lane also. Okay, so if I want to evaluate each and every link, then first go to the link, right click, show list, go to link number 1 and double click. You can see the last option others. Click on that and you will find the evaluation section. So select all the evaluation section, and for the third option you can see link evaluation and segment length is given as 10 meter. That means for how much segment you would like to evaluate the link. For example, if I will put the 15 meter, then for every 15 meter I will get the evaluation result. Okay, then click on the OK. Similarly, do it for each and every link that you have generated. You can also activate these options while you are creating the link. Okay, now for the first 2 links I have provided the link segment as a 15 meter for evaluation, and for the rest of the link it is 10 meter only. Then close this table. Now go to the evaluation and configuration. In that second option, result attribute, select the link. Here you can provide the from time to the time. That means from how much time you would like to evaluate that link. More options are also given. For example, if you click on that, it will ask you whether you would like to collect the result per link segment or per lane segment. That means if you have provided more than one lane in a link, then you can also evaluate the result and you can also gain the result per lane segment. Okay, currently we are keeping it as a per link segment. Click on OK. Okay, then go to the evaluation result list and click on link results. So one table will going to open. Now before that, you can see we have an active signal in our group. So let me deactivate the signal first. Go to signal controller, double click on that and deactivate that signal. Okay, now if you start the simulation, you can see the results will be there. Here you can see the link evaluation. For the link number 1, first evaluation is for 0 to 15 meter length, then 15 to 30 meter, then 30 to 45 and so on. For the second link also the same one, but for the third link you can see it is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So you can decide the interval as per your requirement. Here you can see the results are in the form of density, delay, speed and volume. Okay, so that will be per hour. Clear? If you want to modify this result, you can go to the attribute selection, and here you can see on the left hand side there are plenty of options are available. You can add any of these options to your result list. For example, if you want to add the time interval, then you can select that option and just click on add. Then OK. Now you can see it will be available in your result list. Okay, this is how you can evaluate your link. Similarly, let's see how can we evaluate our node. So just stop the simulation, close this table. Now go to the node, select the node. Now provide the node for the area of evaluation. So again, control right click and select the first point, then second point. Similarly go for the third one and last point also. Now click enter and your node will be created. You can provide the name for that node also. For example, let's provide it as a node 1. Okay, you can choose the behavior of that node also. That is, that node will be used for evaluation, used for dynamic assignment, whether you would like to use that for the use of mesoscopic simulation, or whether you would like to define the user defined orientation. Okay, now click on the OK button. Again go to evaluation, configuration and select the node option also. So for the node evaluation also, there are plenty of options available to modify. First, the start of delay segment. That means where you would like to start your delay segment, that is 100 meter before the node. You can choose the length according to your requirement. Then queue definition. Queue begins when velocity is less than 5 km and ends when velocity is greater than 10 km per hour. If you want to change this, you can change according to your requirement. Same way for the headway and length. Okay, so currently we are not changing anything. Click on OK, again OK, then go to evaluation, result list and node result. Let me activate the signal again. Okay, close this one and start your simulation. So here you go with the node evaluation. So here you can see the queue length is also there, queue length maximum is also there, total vehicle, person in a vehicle, then LOS of your intersection, and plenty of other results are also there. Here you can also see the emission is also provided, that emission of CO, NOx and VOC and fuel consumption. Okay, so if you want to change any of the parameter, or if you want to add or remove any of the result, then you can go to attribute selection. So you can transfer any of the parameter from left to right and right to left. Okay, this is how you can evaluate your link and node. I hope the information provided will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.